of India has reported 2,34,000 fresh coronavirus cases. We have recorded 2 lakh cases for the third straight day. So 2 lakh cases daily. 1,341 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours. And now we are learning that at 8 p.m. Prime Minister Modi will be holding a meeting to review the Covid-19 and the vaccination situation in India. And the top officers will be participating amongst various ministries. Let's go across to my colleague Akhilesh, who is bringing us this breaking news story right now. Akhilesh, even as the Prime Minister has come under attack, under criticism for campaigning, spending the day on the campaign trail in a state election, you are now reporting that he will be holding a meeting at 8 p.m. this evening to assess India's handle on the situation in the second wave.
That's right, Sarah. And 8 o'clock, Prime Minister will be meeting with the top officials of different key ministries which have been involved in fighting the war against COVID. And Prime Minister will be reviewing the situation of COVID-19 and also the vaccine availability. We have been reporting that how some states have been complaining that they are not getting a sufficient number of vaccines. Yesterday, Andhra Pradesh was one of them, and today 5 lakh doses have been supplied to Andhra Pradesh. In fact, today, Odisha's Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has also turned to the Prime Minister suggesting that various measures how to increase production of vaccine and also how to supply vaccine to different states. He has also demanded extra doses of vaccine for Odisha. And now we have also seen how a political war has started between Maharashtra and the center, where Uddhav Thackeray has gone public to say that when he was trying to contact the PMO for arranging extra oxygen for the state, he was told that Prime Minister was not available as he was going to West Bengal to address campaign. And after that, Piyush Goyal, the Commerce Minister, has replied back to Maharashtra Chief Minister. And in fact, Health Minister Harshvardhan has also replied to Uddhav Thackeray, spoken to him and assured him that sufficient oxygen supply will be ensured for Maharashtra. In the meanwhile, Mansukh Mandaviya, who is the Chemicals and Fertilizers Minister, he has also come out in openly and saying that the different companies which have been producing Remdesivir, they've been asked to cap the prices, and in fact, a price list has been issued by him, saying that this is the price on which the Remdesivir will be available across the country. In fact, there's a large demand from across the country about the oxygen supply and also about the hospital beds. And in fact, in this meeting, Prime Minister is going to review the situation, and he's likely to come out with more measures how to fight this COVID pandemic.
But Akhilesh, even as you say that the government is going to come up with more measures to fight the situation, can we first understand what the situation is so that we can come up with a solution for it? Because the Health Minister held a meeting today where he said, correct me if I'm wrong, that there is no shortage of the vaccine. Is that correct? Because states, as you are reporting, whether it's Odisha, whether it's Maharashtra, are saying that they are out. Yesterday it was Andhra Pradesh.
Well, Sarah, situation is very grave. Everybody acknowledges that that nobody had imagined that the second wave of COVID will be so strong that, all the resources, they will not be sufficient to fight. And as far as the vaccine is concerned, there was a vaccine Utsav as announced by the Prime Minister, and that is the main reason why some states have administered a lot of doses. If I talk about Andhra Pradesh, in one day they had given more than 6 lakh doses on 14th of April. And after that, of course, they had a shortage. So 5 lakh doses have been supplied to them after that. But yes, there's a shortage of vaccine. And in fact, yesterday's Serum Institute's Adar Poonawala, he has urged the US President that he should lift the embargoes imposed on the raw material, which is necessary to make vaccines.
All right. So there is a shortage, yet the Health Minister again today maintaining that there is absolutely no shortage of vaccines in India right now. Thanks so much for that, Akhilesh.